hope for.
And the evidence of things not seen.
From the heart of Detroit, Michigan, the city that moves the world, comes a sound that moves the soul. Sounds of Imani, the award-winning contemporary gospel duo, is back with their inspiring new single. It's about hope. It's about hope. Led by the dynamic Gerald and Carol Irvin, the sounds of Imani blend smooth jazz, R&B, and gospel. A sound that's fresh, uplifting, and full of faith. It's About Hope is produced by Michael Giacovini and Gregory G. Pearson. This powerful track will have you dancing, singing, and believing in a brighter tomorrow. Hope! Hope! It's the light of our darkest moment and a promise of better days ahead. Book Sounds of Imani for your next social event, church service, festival, conference, and all kinds of celebrations. They're also available for corporate and private events. Visit soundsofimani.com and follow them for the latest music and updates. Sounds of Imani, bringing a refreshing sound to contemporary gospel.
Just move your feet unto the beat. Come praise the Lord and sing your song. Come praise